Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to crochet this flower trinket dish. It's the perfect size to keep on your nightstand or desk for your daily accessories, jewelry or charms. It also makes a super cute decorative accent piece for any cozy space. And it works wonderfully for holding keys, sewing essentials, or any of your favorite little knickknacks. If you love tutorials, please take a quick second to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss my next project. For today's project, I'm using 100% mercerized cotton yarn size 4. I chose white and pink color combination. You will also need a 3mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. To begin, we will start with our white yarn to create the center of the flower. Make a magic ring and chain 3. This chain 3 does not count as a stitch. Then, make 15 double crochets into the ring. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That's our first double crochet. Continue working until you have 15 stitches in total inside the ring. Once you have done your 15 double crochets for the first round, we're going to let go of the last loop of the last double crochet and finish the stitch with our pink yarn. Don't forget to pull that short tail to close the ring. Grab your pink yarn, yarn over and pull it through to finish that last double crochet and make a slip stitch to complete round 1. And cut off the white yarn. For round 2, chain 2. This chain 2 does not count as a stitch. We are going to make 2 double crochets into every single stitch all the way around the circle. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch and make your first double crochet. Then, work a second double crochet right into that same stitch. Continue making 2 double crochets into every stitch around, and you should have a total of 30 double crochet stitches at the end of round 2. Round 3, chain 1. Make 1 single crochet into the same stitch as the chain. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet and then 1 double crochet. In the following stitch, make 2 triple crochets into the same stitch. Then 3 triple crochets into the next stitch. Then make 2 triple crochets into the same stitch. Next, 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And this is our first petal. Keep repeating this sequence all the way around until you reach your last petal. I have placed the full stitch combination for the petal on the left side of the screen. At the end of round 3, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet to complete our flower base. Round 4, chain 1. Now we are going to work slip stitches all the way around the rim. This creates a clean edge and prepares our base so we can build up the size of the dish on the next round. Round 5, chain 3. We are going to make a double crochet into every single stitch around. We will work directly into the slip stitches from our previous round. As you can see here, we insert the hook into those slip stitches and then complete the double crochet to create the size of our dish. Continue working 1 double crochet into each slip stitches all the way around. Once you finish your very last double crochet here, cut your yarn, leaving a tail, and pull it straight through to fasten off. And grab your yarn needle to create an invisible join. Insert your needle through the 2 loops on top of the initial chain 3 and pull the yarn through. Then, take your needle back and go down through the back loop of your very last double crochet stitch. Pull your yarn slightly to create a nice gap between stitches. And our work here is done. If you enjoyed making this project with me today, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.